Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be doing a little chit chat. Get ready with me. I'm going to let you guys know where I've been, what I've been doing. I am back at work. That's why I was gone for a quick second, adjusting back to life. So if you want to hear more about that, you want to see this look and how I did it, what I used, go ahead and keep watching. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. Like if you like this video, leave a comment, let me know you're new. Thank you guys for tuning in, and if you want to see what I got going on, what I'm wearing, go ahead and keep watching. Basically, I've been MIA, I went back to work, we'll talk more about that. I'm just kind of gonna do my makeup for today and explain all that. So I'm gonna go ahead, prime my face with the Wet n Wild Coconut Photofocus Primer Water. Love this drugstore one, very, very affordable. I'm just gonna go ahead, put some foundation on. I'm going to use the Tarte face tape. It's got so many, I'm getting confused. Tarte face tape with my beauty sponge, my e.l.f. beauty sponge. For you guys, it might not seem like I've been gone long, but I've been gone for a minute. And let me tell you, I miss doing videos. I went back to work a couple weeks ago, so life has been just a little different. Life is different for everyone at the moment, but yeah, so my life, you know, is going back to its normal a little bit, and I just had to adjust everything, and here I am, I'm back. Oh man, so I'm sure so many people can relate. Everyone has to wear a mask, and that's just our new normal right now, and that's fine. But like, I don't do my makeup every day. Like, I would go to work 7 a.m., full face of makeup, but things are different, you know. The masks mess up your makeup. It's just like really not worth doing a full face when you have a mask on. So where I was going with that was, I've been wearing a mask every day, haven't done full face, and I miss it. I don't know if you guys can relate or not, but this happens to me all the time. I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, but if I go like even a few days to a week without like doing a full face of makeup, getting ready, feeling good about myself, I like am itching so bad to do my makeup, and this is it. So I already went to work today. I got out early, and you know, it's noon now and I'm not doing my makeup. I just like am itching to do it. I want to feel good about myself, I want to feel pretty, and I want to do my makeup. So yeah, I don't know if you guys feel that way. Like, it might seem like a waste middle of the day to do a full face of makeup right now, but I need it. This is my therapy. Life is a little bit different, a little bit, you know, stressful and not normal, and this is my outlet. Doing my makeup has been my outlet, and that's why I started this channel, because watching YouTube and doing my makeup alongside other YouTubers has always been my hobby, has been my stress relief. Like, people would ask me, what are your hobbies? What are you good at? And I'd be like, nothing. And I felt weird, and I felt kind of out of place. Like, everyone's good at something, everyone has a hobby, and I felt like I didn't until I realized that this was a hobby. Makeup is a hobby, and it is my stress relief. And I'm sure those of you who are watching can relate, because why else would you be here, you know? Bringing it full circle. What I'm trying to say is that work is stressful, life is stressful, especially right now during these times, and I'm itching to put on a full face of makeup and feel beautiful, even if I'm not going anywhere and I'm sitting on my couch and it's just me, the kids, and Nick. So that's where I'm at. That's why we're doing our makeup at noon. I'm going to go and set that concealer down with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, just because I feel like that concealer can be just like a little bit too dewy for what I'm looking for. Okay, so just gonna put the powder under my eyes. Shelby has hiccups. So if you hear that, that's what you're hearing. Okay, she's done. You okay, girl? She's staring at me like, what are you doing? Anyway, so just kind of setting everything. I'm just gonna wipe this all away with a brush. So I'm just gonna take a clean brush and kind of wipe away all the excess that's really just gonna mattify my skin. I did have like a little bit of mascara on, and then brow gel, just because that's what I was wearing at work. Like I said, not doing a full face at work, so that's all I had on. I'm bringing it back. I used to do this look like literally every single day. Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia. It's beat up, it's well loved. Here we are. Sorry for the way this looks. So here's my palette. Well loved, let me tell ya. And I used to do this look like every single day. It's like an orangey, bronzy look. What else do I do? I'm going to be doing something out of the box soon, I promise. So I'm just gonna take this very light shade and put it all over. Just kinda, by the way, this eye look is gonna be super easy, super quick. I'm gonna do one eye and then do the other eye off camera so that it goes a little bit quicker. So I'm just taking that very light shade all over the lid. I did mix golden ochre? Oak? Oh, I have never looked at these. Wow. Golden ochre, please ignore what I'm saying, raw sienna. And that is how I got the shade that I have right now. And then I'm going to take another brush, a little fluffy guy, and I'm going to go into burnt orange. You can't really tell, but it does look burnt orange, and put that in the crease. And then I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to go into Real Girl. Okay, who made these? I'm sorry. I'm just like so bad with the pronunciations. So bad. So I am just like stamping that into my crease. I'm going to go back in with the first brush I used with the lighter shades and just kind of fluff it all together. Like I said, super easy look. It's gonna take me 2 seconds. I'm going to put shimmer on there, and that's gonna be it. So I'm going to grab Primavera. It's like a gold shimmer. I'm gonna put that on my eyes right here. Excuse the way my nails are looking these days. I'm back at work, haven't gotten them done. And that's just life, you know? Now I'm gonna go back in with the orangey shade. I'm just done with the shade names. I haven't even looked at them, and that's my favorite palette, and I just don't know how to pronounce them. So I'm just kind of like stamping it all over and on the outer corner. This is a very casual look, so I'm not going nuts with it, not, you know, going in. So I'm gonna take this little guy and take that orange again, and then just put it underneath to kind of pull it all together. That's just what I do, even on the easy look days. So that's really it for the eyeshadow. I'm gonna go ahead off camera, do the other eye, and I will be right back. All right, back, eyeshadow is done. Like I said, I used to do this look like literally all the time for like a year. So I can do it super quick and looks like I put a lot of effort into it, but it's literally 3 shades and done. I'm going to go in with just a Sephora black eyeliner, affordable for a high-end store, obviously. Give me 1 sec while I put on the liner. Okay, back, eyeliner is done. Again, this is not really a tutorial, so I'm just kind of doing it off camera so we can talk some more. I'm going to use the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara on the top and on the bottom. For those of you who are new, I would love to know what you guys want to see on my channel. If anyone has any suggestions or something they want to see, please let me know, because I obviously want to be doing whatever you guys want to see. There's so many things that I love doing, but you guys let me know what you want to see. Leave a comment below, please. So just like random thought, is there anyone else like, yes, the weather is beautiful, it's sunny, and I live for that. Love, love, love the sunshine, beautiful skies, and beautiful weather. But who else is like so ready for fall? Because, you know, this look might even be like a glimpse into fall for me. I'm dying like to have it. Is it October yet? Can I put pumpkins around my house yet? Like, hello, is it too soon to be thinking that? Or does anyone else feel that way? Leave a comment if you've been feeling the same way. This mascara, I recently got it from a sale from Tarte, and I've been loving it. Like, really gives you some length, some volume, it literally does everything. Look at these bottom lashes. mascara is done, and I kind of like got off topic with that whole fall thing. Anyway, I'm just itching for fall to be here, and then it's winter and everyone hates winter. I'm a winter fan. If you don't know that about me, now you know. I am definitely a winter fan. So it doesn't bother me that we'll be closer to winter. I'm gonna go in with the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. Yeah, it doesn't bother me. I love fall. I love all that. Christmas, holidays. Hopefully things get a little bit more normal. Who knows? Because I really don't want the holidays to be ruined. Holidays. I'm ready for it all. So here I am, just bronzing like under my cheeks, my forehead, to give obviously not a contour but more warmth to the skin. Sorry if the lighting in here is just like not the best. It's partly cloudy, partly sunny outside, and clouds just don't know what they're doing right now. I'm not a pro. I don't have all the lighting and equipment. Hopefully one day, you know, hopefully one day we'll get there. Actually saw, I love Kelly Strack. I love watching her videos. She did like an all natural light video, and I'm like, because I guess people are commenting saying like, oh, we don't know, like, you know, you're hiding so much with that lighting, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, man, I work with this natural light every video. It's my new Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush in Dazzle is what I'm using. Very pretty pinky color. Anyway, where I was going with that was I obviously only use natural light, and you can't tell the clouds and the sun what to do, and the struggle is real. Okay, so blush is on. Put a little bit on my nose, and I really do love the color, love the way this performs. I did a little review. If you want to see that, go ahead to my channel and you can see the review on all of my stuff. My little mini Tarte haul I did. Oh my gosh, if you can see my little tattoos, hilarious. So Ryan had a bunch of Paw Patrol tattoos. Mine are coming off because we went swimming, but it's Sky and her little logo, and he gave me the pink ones. So we got little matching tattoos going on right now. Morphe highlighter in Spark. This is like kind of pink, kind of gold. You can see. It's very pretty and it's very affordable. Obviously, all of Morphe stuff is very well priced and it works well. Can you see that? Like, hello. And it's very, very buildable. I'm gonna take a little brush and put it on my brow bone and on the inner corner of my eyes. Seriously, this one in particular, the shade, holy cow, like, do you see that? Very impressive, very, very impressive. Just gonna like fix up my brows a little bit with the Urban Decay Brow Blade. I'm just gonna use the ink stain end, which looks like this, just to kind of fill it in. I don't wanna go nuts with my brows right now. Ooh, backtrack. I'm going to use some more Benefit Brow Setter, because from putting all that powder on, it just kind of like moved the brow hairs around a little bit. Shelby, what you doing back there, girl? Here's my puppy. I'm gonna do like a few hair-like strokes. If you made it to the end, drop an emoji down below. Also, are you like the kind of person that gets ready and watches their videos, or do you just lay in bed and watch your videos? Because like I do a little bit of both. At night I like watch what I haven't watched, haven't gotten around to, and then a lot of times when I'm getting ready, by the way, if this is too deep, I just like kind of dab it and it lightens it up, makes it look more natural. Or do you watch your videos while you're doing your own makeup? Because I also do that. I just like get inspired from other people while they're doing their makeup. Very fun. I'm honestly just grabbing whatever's in front of me. It's Smashbox liquid lipstick in Babe Alert. Looks like this. I don't even remember what this one looks like, but we're gonna put it on. See. What's nice about these is they got like a pointy little end to like line your lips with. Alright, so I've seen better lips in my life, but this is kind of just a quick little something to feel better I already feel better. Like, I haven't had full face in a minute. I've been swimming, I've been working, I've been doing everything, and so this feels good. This feels like normal. I feel like myself again, and I'm super happy. So if you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified every time I post, share the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was fun. This was a nice way to hop back into my videos, just kind of talking. You guys didn't really get to know me as well as I wanted you to, so maybe we'll do a get to know me video. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I feel beautiful, I feel better, and I think that's something you should tell yourself. After you do your makeup and you feel good, just tell yourself you look beautiful. Don't be ashamed of it. Say it. Be happy. I hope everyone's having a great week, a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.